the women that you admire, they keep their life secrets, and you should too. I do too. Here is what I've learned through life. Sometimes we are so ready to share, maybe because we want to be excited or we want to share our excitement. However, that is not the reality. Most of the time, when you're sharing your goals, you want approval of the world. You want the world to know that you are focused. There's something that you want validation from the world. However, this one can make your goals to not be realized. You see, when you share your goals all the time, when you're telling people, for example, I'll start this business and that business, some of the people might know you and they might want to protect you, maybe from failure. And they might be like, hmm, maybe that business is not best for you, or this is not the right time for you to do the business. You see, that is what we call negative talk in the form of protection. Some are jealous and some are just trying to protect you. Therefore, if you're really sure that you want to start a business or you want to do something for yourself, maybe it is time for you to be a little secretive. You see, if you wanted real advice, maybe you could have gone to a coach or a mentor, and that would have helped you. But right now, the reason why you are going to people and the people around you is because maybe you want them to think that you are more focused or that you are making better decisions. Wait until you realize what you have said. Wait until you have done what you have said. Because there are a lot of energy leaks. You mix your energy with other people's energy. You mix your life, your words, your goals with other people's goals and aspirations. It is time for you to keep quiet so that you can be able to focus on yourself. You see, when you are closed up, somebody will not be able to pinpoint where exactly to attack or where exactly to bring you down. You see, they don't have anywhere to hold you. But when you are open, anybody can touch anywhere and they'll bring you down. These are things that the enemy uses. And because even the Bible tells us that we should not be talking too much or telling people so much, maybe you should just write your goals and tell God what you want and wait for the rest to be realized. Talking too much gives access to the enemy, your enemies, and of course, devil, who's the arch enemy of everyone. Learn to keep quiet. Most of these women, if you listen to successful people's story and successful women, they were doubted at first. And to conquer the doubt, they kept quiet because the people who are doubting them might have been a barrier to their rising. Keep quiet today, and you'll see you'll be able to contain your energy and your focus in one place so nobody will be able to interrupt you or to take what is yours. There is nothing wrong with keeping quiet. It does not necessarily mean that you are being secretive or you're just being private, not necessarily secretive. Make sure that in your life you do not give people too much access than what they should have. Validation should not come from other people. You should be internally validated. You should be internally fulfilled so that you do not need to tell people what you want. This world, there's so much sharing. Sometimes what you hear on the internet and you're shocked because people do not know boundaries. It is better to have boundaries. It is better to keep quiet. It gives you direction. Your internal motivation is much more. Please focus on your goals. Stop shouting. Those who love you might be the people who come at you the most because they want to protect you. But when you close up, when you focus on your goals yourself, you are sure to win because there are no energy leaks. There is nowhere for the enemy to hold. Please keep quiet. Please stop shouting your goals. Even losing weight, people are so jealous and you don't even know it. You're mistaking enemies for friends. Stop sharing what you want to do. Stop sharing that you want to lose weight. Stop sharing. Just do it. Just do what you want. Do it. You don't need to seek permission. You don't need to seek validation from everybody. Do it, and then they'll look at you and they'll be like, when did you start doing this? they'll not have anywhere to pinpoint. Nobody will discourage you. You see, you've seen maybe children, they are so determined to do something or to catch maybe an insect, maybe a butterfly or a lizard. They don't know that it is harmful. They do not know that it can run away. They are just determined. And sometimes that innocence is very important. Like you are going in this all determined, all innocent, knowing that the only thing you are going to achieve is success. When you're talking to people about your goals, you'll never be able to achieve that. They take away the innocence by showing you the so many sides of the story. Sometimes you don't need to know everything. You don't need to know every side of the story. Maybe you just need to get in, be successful and get out. You don't need to know everything. You don't need validation. You don't need to just talk to everybody. Learn to talk to yourself and, of course, to God. Thank you for keeping tuned. Please subscribe. Please like the video, share, and also tell me in the comments below, what do you think about privacy?